Hi everyone, I am the new guy on the YouTube channel CollectiblesUL. Hello. Hey, I'm gonna try to make you laugh and make some joke to make some entertainment for you. And today is gonna be my whole time first unboxing on the CollectiblesUL channel. Here's my package, and first I want to tell you I'm a French Canadian. Yes, my first language is the French, and I'm not a pro when this is the time to speak English. Currently, I'm still in learning to speak a perfect English, and for you American and I'm gonna make some errors when I speak in English. I'm very sorry, very sorry, but I'm gonna do my best. I try so, and so this is it. And my first unboxing video is gonna be my first real props, yeah. And I'm gonna open a Freddy Krueger gloves. Yes, a Freddy Krueger gloves. This is my first glove. I'm gonna get, but I'm very excited. Yes, I'm very nervous. I'm very excited to open that package with my gloves, my Freddy Krueger gloves. This Freddy's glove is made by Christopher Greitner. RazorGlovesDotCom, and the gloves I have bought is the BOILER Room Creation Deluxe. This is the gloves. This is a Nightmares on Elm Street Part 1 gloves. This is the most accurate hero gloves from the Nightmares on Elm Street Part 1 movies, and I'm very excited. I'm very excited. And just 1 minute. Thank you. And I'm gonna use this knife to open my package. So let's go. What I'm doing? Okay, I have some tape here. I'm gonna cut it. Oh, I don't know if it's there, but just 1 minute. I'm not a pro in for open package. This is gonna be horrible. Oh. Oh, I think I got it. So just 1 minute, just fucking minute. Oh, I got it. So what I'm doing? I don't know what I'm doing. So just 1 minute, please. I have opened this part, but I don't know if it is the best part to open that package. This package. Oh, I got it, guys. See, I got it. Gonna take one coffee. Oh, this is my dog. Drink water. Hey, silly me. Hi Mia. Oh, just see it? It's my dog. I love it. One of my best friends. And so, this is real. This is the time. I'm gonna open my first props. I'm very nervous. Very nervous. Oh, I got it, guys. Oh, newspaper. I'm very excited. I don't know if you see that, but I'm very excited. So I'm gonna open it. Oh, what is it? No, okay, it's nothing. It's just paper. Just like that. Oh, I touch it, guys! I touch it. I'm so excited. Oh, this is paper again. Oh, yes, fucking paper. Now we have nothing in the damn box. This is the gloves time, guys. Just right here. I'm so nervous. Oh my god. I'm gonna open it. Yes, Mia. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Just see it. Just see that. Check that. I know what is it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Freddy Krueger gonna reborn. So with the newspaper there and the plastic paper bag. Oh, I have throw the paper. I have touched the. I have touched the blades. It's amazing. It's amazing, guys. I'm so happy. Check this, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. It's too cool. You see that? It's amazing. This is the first time I touch a real Freddy Krueger's glove. It's amazing. It's really amazing. Check that. Oh my freaking god. It's totally amazing. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. It's I have no word to tell. To explain how much it's amazing. See that? Just 1 minute, guys. I'm gonna check. It's still. Yes, it's still. Yes! It's still recording. I'm happy. So just watch this, guys. Just watch this. It's totally amazing. This leather, brown leather. Oh my god. It's simply amazing. Check that beast. It's amazing. It's so awesome. Check that. Oh my god. I am so happy. I just don't know what to do right now. I have an explosion of emotion in my heart. I'm so happy. I have bought these gloves latest summers, and I'm so just to open that glove today, it's a dream. It's a true dream. Oh my god. I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna wear it right now. I can't wait. Oh my god. This is amazing glove. Thank you, Chris. Thank you. You see that? You see it? Oh my god. Check my finger in the gloves. It's totally amazing. It's totally amazing. You see that? Oh, my cat. Come here, come here. Come here. Oh my god. Oh, the smells of the leather in the glove. It's totally amazing. Come here, my little cat. Come here. Straight cat. It's just totally amazing. Oh my god. Oh, it's amazing. I'm just too happy. Really, it's totally amazing. You see that? I'm so happy. No, seriously. Seriously. Chris Bretner, thank you for this gloves. It's awesome. For a Freddy Krueger and Nightmares on Elm Street fan like me, it's totally amazing, this gloves. Oh my freaking god. Check that. I have waited several months to receive my gloves, and this is amazing. It's totally amazing. Thank you, Chris, and thank you, Hugo and Norris Milk to have let me made an unboxing video on the CollectiblesUL channel. It's very cool from your part, because I'm not a pro in English and I'm still learning. And this video must be very made with a very low English quality, and I don't know what I'm telling, because I'm so happy to receive these gloves. So thank you guys, and if you have liked the video, like it, share it. You can make a comment on my goddamn English errors, and oh, it's totally amazing. So please guys, share the video. Tell me if you have like it or not. Tell me why. And again, another times, thank you, Chris. Thank you, Hugo. Thank you, Loris. You're so gentle. You're so cool for me, and I'm so happy to unbox this glove for you. Oh my god, it's amazing. I am just so happy. Now I'm gonna scare some children here. Just 1 minute, please. I have some rain outside, and I'm gonna leave you with this. Please like the video if you have loved it, and dislike the video if you have don't like the video. whatever. I love you guys. Thank you to have watched my video, and see you for next unboxing. Try to push the start button with my glove. It's pretty hard. Oh fuck that shit.